Welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at the EMEET S800-4K UHD stream camera, main camera, secondary camera, B-roll camera, doesn't really matter. This is a really nice quality camera. I love it. Let me just show you the front, how it looks, give you an idea of the quick shot here, what they look like, what it looks like. And I'm going to actually just do a cutaway in a few minutes, so stay tuned. I'm going to show you some live footage as well as the audio. I'm going to change that as well. Right now I'm recording on my Shure SM7B, and eventually I'm going to record the audio on this. I'm going to show you some video from this actual camera. Now, I like the build of this camera. It's well made. I use this a lot for my B-roll shots. It's got a really nice feel to it. It doesn't get that hot, even though it says caution hot. It does not get hot. It's got a good flexible base to it here. You can see how this fluctuates up and down, so you can actually attach it to any monitor. I do use it on a little mini tripod when I want to use it for my B-roll shots. I do use that. Real easy to use, really easy to configure. The software, I'll show you that all. I'll show you everything there is about this little camera. Nice quality 4K camera. It really works really well. So you can use this for Zoom, you can use this for meetings, you can use this for video production, you can use this for B-roll, overhead shots, whatever you want to use it for. It's going to work fine. I have to tell you. Comes with a I think it's like a 6-foot cord, maybe 5.5 to 6-foot cord I already have attached to it. I took it out of the box. This was sent to me by the company, and it was not compensated, just to be clear and transparent. I do get a small commission if you do go ahead and purchase this. It does support my channel and does cost you nothing, just to be clear and transparent. Very important. Again, the EMEET 4K UHD camera, very small, compact, and very, very powerful. So I just want to show you one, but it's an f1.8 with an f1.8 with an f4.7 1mm lens, and this is a zoom lens. You can actually control it with their software. The software does not record into 4K directly, but you can go into OBS and actually configure it to shoot 4K. So the footage I'm going to show you is 4K footage, but I'm still going to overlay the software so you can give you an idea what that looks like, so you can see. Hopefully you can see both of that, and you can see what I'm talking about. So you can use the software, you can use OBS, you can go to Zoom, whatever you want to do. So it really works really well, very flexible, and really nice. Again, small footprint, works very well. It's got a couple of fins in the back that keeps it cool, like you see here. It's got a little 1/4-inch screw mount. And you can either put it on your desk as well. You can use it if you want to like this. Doesn't really matter. It's very flexible. All right, let's just do a quick cutaway. I'm going to show you some footage, some scenes and some different objects. And you can see the color balance, and I'm going to show you some of the options it has available. I am recording on the actual camera itself. The stream camera has a couple of images. I just want to show you what they look like on the camera. This is shot in 4K. I want you to see the quality of the images is really good. The audio sounds pretty decent as well on this EMEET 4K camera. You can just see the image quality. And here is a videotape here. I just want to show you the detail of the color. You can see the color, how awesome it is. Very good, very well balanced. I can see my hand color is very well balanced as well. And you can adjust this and you can tweak this with the software. I couldn't get the software to come up while I was using OBS. I couldn't layer it in, but you can use it. You can adjust it and play with the thirds, and you can play with it with all the different settings. The only bummer is that you cannot record 4K on it. I use OBS to record 4K, so this is the 4K image. So I'll just give you an example of that. Here is another videotape here. Here's 007. Here's right here. I'm turning this around. You can see that, how that looks all around, the detail, the quality, image. You can see all the watermarks on the tape. You can see everything really crystal clear. So it's a great little camera. It's got a great sound, and definitely got to recommend it. So go ahead and purchase it. You're going to feel assured and feel comfortable that you're getting a good value for what this is. I think it's actually a really good quality camera. Here's the sound. You can hear the sound on the audio, and you can see the image. It looks fantastic. Here are my hands. Here are the images. And then you can take a look for yourself, but I think they're fantastic. They're very well balanced, and I like it quite a bit. And one more thing, here's a little ruler. You can see all the details, really sharp. There's all the numbers on the ruler. You can just see that the details are really important. You can get close-ups like that. Let me just focus right there. You can see you get close-ups. The camera will focus in and out for you. So you want to get close-ups, you can. You can't get extreme close-ups, but you can get pretty good. So you can do great vlogging. You can do product reviews with this. You can do a second camera. It's going to work great with OBS. It's going to work great with any third-party application. Just plug it in and play USB-C, and you're good to go. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this quick review. Appreciate your time as always. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Also, don't forget to consider supporting my channel. Go right ahead and hit that subscribe into my channel, and everything I do raise
for my channel. It does go back into the channel to do more videos like this. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also hit that the follow along, and that's as little as 99 cents a month. Helps support my channel. I do appreciate that. So if you can do that, go ahead and do that. It'd be great. If you can't, I understand. Hit that subscribe button, share and like. I do appreciate that. And I'll see you at the next review, and I'm definitely going to recommend this for sure.